Hi guys, so today we will be planting strawberry bare roots, and I have the kids here. They want to grow them over the summer. So this is the kind that we have, Strawberry All-Stars June Bearing, 10 roots for $2.98, and these are from Walmart. We have just some distilled water here. We'll be using the Nature's Care Organic and Natural Vegetable Fruit and Flower Food. We will be using the Nature's Care Organic Potting Mix, and also the Organics Vigoro, I guess that's how you say it, Organic Potting Mix. And then the kids have, I think these might be about 3 gallons. And I just have holes at the bottom that I drilled in there. These are from the Dollar Tree for $1. And then I have just this little water catcher that's on the bottom. These are about $1.20 or so at Walmart. And then the kids have their work gloves on. Those are from the Dollar Tree for $1. So the first thing we're going to be doing is, I just have this bowl. I'm going to put some water in there, take the strawberry roots, sit them in the water, and kind of try to slowly separate them. Let them sit for about 20 minutes, and then we'll get started. So we'll see you guys on the next clip. Oh, some of them have already budded. Here we go. So here's the rubber band. I finally found it. Just want to take that off. Alright. Start unwinding here. Alright, so looks like here's one. So there looks like the roots, the bottom, there's the crown. I'm just going to sit that in water. So here's all the roots just kind of sitting in the water. Okay, so now we're just going to start adding our potting soil into our containers. The boys are going to use the Nature's Care potting mix, and the girls are going to use the other one, the Organics Vigoro. We're going to fill them up. And Daniel still has just the leftover from the strawberry bags, the potting mix that was in there. And I went ahead and opened up my second. I did have 2 of these. I went ahead and opened up the other one. So they're all still sitting in the water. And while they're sitting in the water, the kids are going to fill up their containers. You can use that scooper, Daniel. Yep.
Watch out.
Mom's filling his up. Okay.
Mom, is this good?
Dryer, fill yours up. Yep. Keep going, buddy. And we just have them still sitting, the roots still sitting in the water.
Wait, you already did yours?
Nope, I didn't do mine yet. But you guys go first.
Mom, what are the holes at the bottom for?
So when you pour your water in to water your plants, it goes through and it's able to drain out.
Oh.
Yeah. So they've got their little plastic things there. And we just have a garbage bag here to kind of toss extra stuff. And we are indoors, so you know you may have a mess. We'll just vacuum that up, okay? And we put down just newspaper to kind of help.
Keep going?
Yep, keep going. We went ahead and added some, we didn't have a lot. I mean, we had the 2 containers of potting bags, but we added just some leftover seed starting, like the organic mix that we had. We added a little bit of that to kind of add some extra potting soil in there. So now we're going to get ready and go ahead and add in the strawberry roots. Okay, so now we are going to go ahead and plant our first strawberry root. So here it is, and we're just going to, hopefully, I don't know if it's going to zoom in or not. Yeah, we're going to put it in and bury it probably right where the roots begin. I know you're not supposed to bury it here at the crown, So we're gonna stop probably right there. Okay, you're gonna stop right about there. So make sure all that is down in your pot. Yep, get it down in there and kind of spread it out. Yep, move your hand around the hole if you have to. Yep, and get the roots down in there.
Right at the bottom.
Yep, and then just pull your soil up to cover it, and just remember, don't get that crown.
Stop.
Make sure your crown is above the soil. Yep. Make sure all the roots have to be down though. Make sure they're all completely down. Yep. All right, guys, so I'm just going to help the rest of the kids with theirs, and then we will show you guys the finished project. Okay, so now we're going to add the little food for it, the plants. I'm just going to put it in this little 1 cup thing and go around, and I'm just going to add some into each of their buckets, into each of their little potting mixes.
Well, if we eat some, I'm done. Get sick. John, who are you asking?
The water that we let the roots sit in, and use that to water the plants, and that's pretty much it. And the last thing we did is we put their name. So this is Daniel's strawberries, and then I put the name of the type of strawberries we used, the name of the type of mix. Daniel and Sean, I both cut a little bit off of their roots, whereas the girls I didn't, because I'm kind of experimenting. And then 2/3 of the mix was the Nature's Care, and then 1/3 of it was that extra that we had added in there. And then we put a little bit of Nature's Care feed on top, and then the date that we planted it. So yeah, it would probably be a good idea to do this first rather than last, because you know you can't really tip it over. So yep, that's it. I will also add a actual label to each one, but I just wanted to, you know, also put it on the side so the kids kind of know whose was whose. So I will put just like the basic label in there as well.